Our students don't know the values to respect elders. These values we have forgotten, and that needs to be Gandhian thoughts. Gandhian thoughts, our sense.
Literacy rate has improved as well, particularly among women. The issue of untouchability has been reduced as well, and has been improvement in women empowerment and infrastructure development. Some of the issues that were seen as negative in this period of time has been the environmental pollution, issues related to agriculture trends, where farmers are starting to leave the land and move towards cities, as well not only farmers but the youth from villages. There was a concern moving to big cities as well. With the change of expectations or in expectations among the youth 25 years ago and the expectations that the youth have now. And then it was quite discussed, the issue of free subsidies. So how the government is giving free subsidies to the people, and the general agreement was that these subsidies are making people to be lazy. So this kind of that's an issue to discuss.
Empowerment, more number of women are coming up in education also, employment also, and also they are getting wages, equal wages in men and women. Like one example is NREGA, that is one example. So education wise they have gone up. Economic development has been there, women participation, SHG movement in a bigger way. Yes, political situation has degraded. That is most concerning because everything rotates around this politics, whether it's India or abroad. We have lost leaders. We have got plenty of politicians, but we have lost leaders. Over the last 10 to 15 years, we both of having a lot of developments, but there is still a huge gap, huge divide between poor and rich. The rich becoming more richer and poor becoming more poor.
It has increased, child labor has decreased, industrial development in India has been in a more progressive rate, caste divide has been become less, women education and women empowerment, habitation. The household pattern of Indians has been changed. Also, the development in technology also, and negative things. Youths are being educated, they are aware of the societal changes. But when we talk about, there are a lot more things to talk about negative things. Growth in technology, it is being hazardous and been positive for the Indian scenario. Also, we can talk about the westernization. Everybody has talked to the presentation of group number 5 and 6 was about everything they have covered here, but I want to talk about the culture. We are following we are as Indians, we have our own culture, but nowadays we can see that our culture is being changed. We are getting westernized in the name of modernization. In earlier days, when we look at our youngsters, we were spiritual things were more in Indians. We used to believe that, and now we have forgotten our values and norms.
Village economy, but nowadays it is not seen in everyone. It is in the book only, in the classroom only. But reality, it is purely different. Now there is a industrialization and rapid development of urbanization. No doubt, this is needed for current situation because everyone wants to develop, and for that there is need of technology and all other things, need of economical development. But same time we should see the emphasis on the rural people also, because due to this there is a great imbalance between rural and urban, and it should be reduced. And no doubt, due to the development of science and technology in medical science, there is a decrease in the infant mortality rate and maternal mortality rate, and there is increase in life expectancy of man. But what happened? One side we are developing, but Same time, we are hampering, we are lost many things. Is it a sustainable? If it is not a sustainable, then what is the mean of development?
Are coming up now.